थोड़ा सा आराम से, तसल्ली से, ऐसे मतलब ऐसे लड़ाई झगड़े की नौबत नहीं आनी चाहिए कि थोड़ा सा खुद ही जज कर लो आप कि भाई पहले किसने बोलना शुरू किया, तो ईमानदारी से अपने आप ही चुप हो जाओ। भाई पता चल जाता है अपने को।
सर एक जन है जो बिल्कुल ही जज नहीं करता।
गौरव,
नहीं, गौरव का तो आपने
यस
बता
सर,
ही दिया।
सबको
मैंने
पता
पहले
है।
ही कहा था कि सबसे ज्यादा पेशेंस गौरव को रखना है। और गौरव, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस इसलिए रखना है क्योंकि आगे भी अपने को अपन इस तरीके से कर नहीं पाएंगे ना। अपन आगे जब हायर लेवल पर जाएंगे तो फिर वहां पर जब चीजें होंगी तो वहां पर अपने को वो आदत अभी से डालनी है थोड़ी सी। और बाकी लोगों को थोड़ा सा स्पेस दो। मान लो अभी हर्षित ने बोलना शुरू कर दिया और उसी बीच में मान लो आदित्य ने बोलना शुरू कर दिया, तो हर्षित चुप हो जाए कि नहीं ठीक है, आदित्य बोल रहा है तो चलो पहले इसको बोलने दे। मतलब लाइक दैट। सो इस तरीके से थोड़ा सा आप चीजों को करें। टॉपिक ऐसा रखें आप कोई भी जो बिल्कुल सिंपल सा हो, और बजाय ये कहने की कि मेरा क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पुटअप करें आप, पॉइंट रखें अपना। एंड देन यू कैन से दैट कि दिस इज माय पॉइंट रिगार्डिंग दिस थिंग, एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट, व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन, व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट, व्हाट इज योर आइडिया, है ना। लाइक दैट। अब तो काफी दिनों से आप लोग कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा और इसको एक अच्छे से तरीके से थोड़ा सा इसको करने की कोशिश करें। तो आज कह रहे हैं कि भाई हर्षित का नंबर नहीं आया, नंबर तो कईयों का नहीं आया, पर हर्षित से चलो आज अपन क्लास आज हर्षित के पास छोड़ते हैं अपन। यस, कम ऑन हर्षित।
सर
हाँ,
एक मिनट, पापा का फोन आ रहा है तो एक बात कर लूं क्या?
कर ले, पापा का है तो बात करना ही पड़ेगा ना। लेके आ जाना। हाँ हर्षित।
यस सर।
और ये जो
सो
सेशन
हेलो।
रहेगा अपना, ये अपना सेशन रहेगा, ज्यादा देर का नहीं रहेगा, मतलब ये नहीं फुल टाइम चलेगा, ठीक है ना। 15 से 20 मिनट, मैक्सिमम 15 मिनट्स का सेशन होगा आपका ये। ओके। यस, चलो।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Archit Maurya, and today I am going to conduct today's class. The and as we all know very well, the education system in India is very bad nowadays, as there is too much as there is too much lack of concentration, and the teaching method in these schools are totally based on the times of British rule. Like the students iterate the things. So I would like to have the opinions of Harsh that what does he thinks about it.
yes, I am in favor of you that nowadays the education system of India is lacking behind. Education system of India is lacking behind due to the teachers of schools who always focus on rote learning. It means that they provide a homework, they provide classwork to the students and tell them tell them to iterate it in at home and do it as a homework. But it is only for earning marks. Not we cannot say earning, but to get marks in the exam. But it do not improve our skill. That's and And I think that it is also the government's fault also, because the government has designed the curriculum in that way that the students are new not getting new fields to be focused upon. Like in a few schools only of the country, there are many workshops like regarding agriculture. These workshops teaches the students about real life experience, not just about limited to just our textbooks. So curriculum also plays a important role in developing the skills of a student of the students.
Yeah, I am in the favor of Harsh Rohit, because we know that our education system prepares the books related only of theory, not so practical as the books should be. Because schools should not teach students only on the basis of theory, but also on the basis of practical uses. That this thing we are teaching to the students, so this what is the use of this thing in our practical life. So this should also be included in the books and in the teaching methods of the teachers. That's it.
Yes, I am in favor that
Okay, Vaishnavi, yes.
I agree with Rakshit, and you know that in India, the education system of India is not good, and the teachers teach the students at a academic level, and they always uh, they always iterate the students, and they don't tell the actual meaning, and
Shabash.
they always they always give the students homework and fill up the copies, and and I think we should change the education system in India. That's it.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. जो नहीं बोला अभी तक वो बोले.
yeah, I
I
want
am
to.
रुक जाओ.
I am in the favor of Vaishnavi because government provide us a lot of teacher, but nowadays the teachers do not have good education, and they always iterate to childrens, and sometimes they show up their personality in the schools. They don't focus on the students,
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
and nowadays student do not focus on their study.
वेरी गुड.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश. और जिसने नहीं बोला अभी आओ.
Yes, yes, sir. I know that all teachers don't give education properly. Their students, they only fill their copies and give them so much homeworks. That is no matter why. That is no that is not a good thing, because teachers only want good marks for from their students, and they want to get so much salary, and that is very wrong way
शाबाश.
to improve our education system. Yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड. और बोलो जिसने नहीं बोला अभी तक.
I'm totally in the favor of.
हाँ. ओके गौरव. गौरव बोलो.
Yes, I'm totally in the favor of Aditya, because in our education system or curriculum, it's only for the marks and the exams, not for our practical life. That what is the use of this in the practical life? Just for marks and all these degrees, and for jobs, not in practical life. That what will instead of jobs, what is the use of it in our practical life? It will be used in our jobs, but not in the practical life. That what
शाबाश.
that if we learn something, well, if we learned a story and crammed it, what is the use of the story in our practical life instead of exam? So
I want to add that practical and that jobs come under practical life, and we know that we get education for jobs only, and if we are getting jobs, what is bad in it? And I want to say that in our education system, the teachers only provide or give us knowledge about 2-4 subjects, that 2-4 fields, that are engineering, doctor, medical field, and one more, some popular, but they do not tell us about archaeology, or searching for astrology, searching for new things or new inventions. They only provide us the knowledge about 2 or 4 subjects, in which there is a lot of competition. And if you run, if there are 300 person on a line, then only one can win. But if there is only one person in a race, then it is for sure that he will only win.
Anuj?
We should find more and more methods.
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
I said instead
अनुज
of
कहाँ गया? अनुज
jobs.
बोल रहा था ना,
Yes, sir.
आना चाहिए ना फिर, कहाँ एक
You know, there was a...
हाँ
Sir, ये बोल रहा था।
ये तो बोलेंगे ही।
You know, there...
हाँ
You know, there was a time when India was called Vishwaguru. Because the teaching, the education system of this country was its best at that time. Because there was all natural, because there were a lot of gurukuls, and in them the education is given under a tree, and the things that were taught were related to the were taught related to the life, and they are somewhere connected to the we can say that they usually taught the manual of our life, that how to survive and what to do when different circumstances do you face, and now all the our country is living in Western culture, and we were slaved of Britishers, and at this time the best education system is in the hands of UK, United Kingdom, as because they theft our system of teaching, stole our method of teaching. That's
okay. Sushil?
Yes, sir. So a few minutes ago, Harsh said that government is responsible for bad education system. I agree with it, because we can see the education system of Japan, China, UK, and Germany. There is best education system, and the system was based on the skills and abilities. But if we see in India, the system is based on iteration, nothing else. In the schools of India, we have to iterate the lessons, stories, and question answers, and we have to get marks. And for it, our parents, teachers, and also this society are happy. But after academic level, when we come into the main exam, we come across the difficult system, because the level of school is different, and the level of the higher examination is different. And in China and Japan, students are free to do anything. If they want to become engineer, carpenter, and electrician and pilot, they are free to do. But if we see in India, all students have to pass first 12th class, then in India, students have to pass 10th, and after it they have to choose their path, like PCM, PCB, arts, commerce, etc. And some people say that our India is digital India, but I can say that our India is not digital India, because in the most of schools of India, we can see that computers are not available, and teachers don't have the right methods to teach the students. As sir said that the education system of our India is totally mechanically. In it, there is no practical education. We have to follow it, and we can't develop our skills. So that's it.
वेरी गुड कोमल, जो एक बार सबको बोलने दो जरा। हाँ,
Yes, sir. Sushil Bhai is right because he says that in the most of schools there are no computers and we have no digital classrooms. It is right. He is right because in the most of the schools, computers are not available. Even there is a two and five teachers who teaches all subjects and different subjects in different classes. Sometimes they attach 3 and 4 classes and they teach different subject in same class, and it is not good for our students and for our their future. And we all know that in India there is a big problem of education system because if our parents and our school system is not don't handle it in the correct way, so we have to focus on our study system, and we have to act, we have to do most of the action and hardly action on it, and we should correct of our education system. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड काजल।
Yes, sir. According to me, all are right because or in our India, our education system is very bad because teaches us many things, but they only iterate these things.
They only make us iterate.
They only make us iterate these things, and they give many they give us many homework and
Much homework, हाँ। बोलो बोलो।
much homework, and it is not good because for a student it is very hard because so much homework is a burden of him because our education system is not good, and we only iterate our books, and it is not related to our practical life, and there is no use in our practical life, and we should learn many things by books, and we don't iterate these things, and many teachers only teaches us for earning money, and they don't focus or on our studies, and they only teaches us for earning money, and they don't think that it is not good for a student, and they think that they should think that we teaches students for getting knowledge, and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। खुशी।
According to me, as you know that Indian education system is very bad. Many people get degrees without practical, without learning knowledge for a job. After getting job, this type people stop their study, and they don't focus study and their students. They focus only their personality, and they are lazy day by day.
They are becoming lazy.
They are becoming lazy day by day. And
शाबाश, घबराओ मत।
they only they do job only getting money,
Only for
and
getting money.
only for getting money, and they give homework to student more a lot of
A lot of homework. घबरा
and
सही सही जगह पे लिया करो वर्ड्स को. हाँ.
they don't yes, sir. They don't advise any student for any future any goals etc. And India has many schools has have many schools have practical subject rather than practicals lab without practical labs and that's it sir.
Okay, very good. कोशिश क्या करो ऐसे ही बस. मुस्कान.
Yes, sir. Kushiditi is right, and some teachers come just to do the formalities, and because they are earning money, and which let cause a lot of difficulties for the students. And this mostly in India because it is teach well in other countries because those children's because because those children's become some big and beginning great to the country. That's it.
सेंटेंस ढंग से बना. दोबारा बोल.
Because those children's become something big and
अच्छा ओके ठीक है. Become useful कर दो ना.
become useful to the country.
ठीक है.
And this is reason why most of the poor people are found in India. And this is India education system is wrong. That's it, sir.
कोशिश क्या कर थोड़ा सा इतनी अपने आप बोलने की कोशिश क्या करो थोड़ी सी. है ना सिमरन.
Yes. In education of education is main problem of India because a teacher teaches to us what is material of what is game material of examination, but it is not right because in this way we cannot build students character and this is most reason in this is most reason
most appropriate reason.
Most
this is the reason कर दो खाली. This is the main reason कर दो आप. बोलो.
main reason became poor when day by day in India. That's it, sir.
ठीक है. घबरा जाते हो. कोशिश करो बस सब हो जाएगा ठीक. अनवी.
Yes, sir. Everyone is right, but according me, teachers do not teach us. They they came for fees, which we gave them for
प्रेजेंट में आएगा ना बेटा, प्रेजेंट में बोलो, सारा पास्ट में नहीं जाएगा। हाँ बोलो।
give them for getting knowledge,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, बोल बेटा। हाँ
but they not that
आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही बेटा, कट रही है आवाज। आवाज सही कर बेटा, लोकेशन बदलो अपने।
सर वापस से पूरा बोलूं?
बोल, कहीं से भी बोल, जहाँ से तेरी मर्जी हो, बोल बेटा।
Okay, sir. All points are right, but according me, teachers came for earning money.
प्रेजेंट में चलेगा
Come
सारा।
for earning money,
सबसे छोटी बच्ची है हमारे यहाँ पर, ये चौथी क्लास में पढ़ती है। हाँ,
which we give them for getting knowledge, but they do not give us knowledge, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत, दो शब्दों में बहुत सारी बात कह गई है, 2 सेंटेंस में, हैं? वेरी गुड, शाबाश। Yes, now Arshit, it is your turn to conclude the session.
So yes, sir,
Bring
according
your
to
views.
yes, sir. So yeah, sir, according to me, this session was very good, and my points on this session are these: that education system in India nowadays is very bad. So it must be like as it was earlier times. And now we can't even blame our teachers only, because it has been going on from since a long time. Because we can see that those are being taught by their teachers, who taught them that iteration is everything. And I think that there is not fault of everyone. Yeah, I believe that it is their fault, but not as much as we think. So in my view, education of system of India must not be based on these bookish life. It must be based on practical life, so which were the views of some speakers. So in my views, these all speakers spoke very well, and their points were liked by me, and I hope everyone would have enjoyed today's session. That's it, sir.
Very good. Now
Thank
open, मैं open कर रहा हूँ 5 मिनट के लिए इस डिबेट को।
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, from my perspective, I think our government never wants that we learn something and become a big human being. That's it.
Yeah, I agree with
Yes,
Anuj,
I
because
agree with you totally.
government thinks that if we learn more, the government we can be able to collapse the government. So they think that the system in our education system, that is the rote learning, should be given, should be provided to the students, so that their learning capacities should be limited, and should not, and can be an extent, not more. That's it, sir.
Yeah,
We
but
can
I'm
understand this
in
by
the favor of
we
government,
can
because
understand by this.
it's not decided for the government, because
दोनों चुप हो जाओ, तीसरा बोलो कोई।
Yes, sir. We can understand this by that in our country the government don't want to spend on the education system, as we can see that in America and other Western countries the government spends a high amount of the GDP in improving the conditions of schools and education system, but in our country only 3% of the GDP is spent in improving the education system, and that needs to from my mind I think that needs to be 10%, so that more and more things can be developed in the education system.
but I'm in the
Yeah,
favor of government, because it's not the role of government, it's the role of private schools, because people open private schools for just earning money, not the future of students. And also it's the mistake of some teachers and their teaching skills, that how to teach students, and it's some mistake of the government, that they are not uh, making fines or making rules to uh, ban these things to prevent the future of the children. But I'm in the favor of government because there's no role of government, just only one role, that why they are not stopping this.
Shabash.
And it is the main point that they are not stopping because they are only having the power to stop the iteration made by the schools, made by the private schools. And if is and only one small law of government can protect the students and their rights, and they can become a perfect man in the future. So it is the government's hand that how they treat the private schools.
According to me, our government should take action of it, and our government should be provide us these books by which these type of books by which we can get knowledge, and it is related to our practical life. And with the help of this book, we can be a good person, and it is also very good for our nation.
And
But
government should see more into the our education system, because it is made for our beneficial only. And if the government will not look into the happening and the functioning of the schools, then how will it be?
yes, I agree with you that there is a small mistake of government that they are not setting rules to ban these things. But we should also include the mistake of the private schools and the teachers that they are not focusing what they want is to teach the students. Why are you blaming government? I know that there is small mistake of
Gaurav, as you said
government,
that the government is right, so I want to ask to you that if the government is right, so why are we not able to use language and we don't get any kind of knowledge about all the things? Why? I want to ask to you if the government is right, what is